was actually about to ask you questions, but and it seems like it's still in. Once it gets ingested, we need to into the previous one.
Yeah. Okay, let's check again tomorrow.
Okay, got it. Yep, that's all. Thank you.
Okay.
Yep, all good. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
When I got home, my Korean food order had arrived. Since I lived with Korean friends when I studied abroad, Korean food became my go-to choice. I've got some dumplings, kimchi, and Korean snacks. How's your?
It's been
You've been doing a lot of exercise, so you might be able to recover quicker than other people. What is it? I hope you feel better and get quick. I'm good. It's getting a bit humid in Japan, so start using AC already. Can't believe it's May. Yeah, use AC too much this morning, so same. I try to not use too much AC, otherwise I wouldn't be able to survive this summer. I need to go somewhere like mountains area to escape from the heat, maybe in the summer. Oh, that'd be so nice.
Funny you said.
20, 10, I don't know. Much better.
Yeah, thank you for checking.
It's possible I like to Our anniversary is actually next week, so I decided to make something for my boyfriend. We already went on our Okinawa trip, and we agreed not to exchange gifts this time, but I still wanted to give him something. So I'm painting a photo we took at Koran K, and before transferring it to the canvas, I sketched everything on tracing paper first. I probably didn't have to do it like this, but I wanted to give it a try, as it's my first time trying acrylic painting. After finishing the sketch, I shaded the back with a 6B pencil. Flip it over onto the canvas and trace the lines again. That transfers a drawing onto the canvas. Then I lightly outline in pencil. I follow a few YouTube tutorials. Oh, I shouldn't have painted like this. I think I can do a better job next time.
Oh, it's a painting?
Yeah.
Wow, look at you. Oh, wow.
I painted.
Are you kidding? That's so good.